Hi, it's Internet Adam.
And Craig, here at Bowling Green Chevrolet.
Bowling Green Chevy, Missouri, right off Highway 61.
That's it.
Gosh.
Well, what are we going to talk about today?
What do we have? We have a lot of stuff besides Chevys. A lot of folks don't think about that. Of course, we have our fair share of Chevys, but outside of that, all the other major manufacturers, including an example of a Ford. Here's a 2015 Ford
Focus.
It's a Ford Focus.
You know, I'll tell you how good these cars are, Adam. I've owned 3 of them. Absolutely 3 of them. They're great cars, great fuel efficiency. This one happens to be an SE, has a 2.0 liter engine in it. Talk about fuel economy, 26 miles around town and 36 miles to the gallon on the highway.
Oh, wow. So this vehicle is getting almost as many miles per gallon in the city as other vehicles get on the highway. So this
Absolutely.
Is like, wow, that's great.
You know, the other thing, it comes with sync, and not only is that hands-free Bluetooth with your phone, but you know you can tune your radio with sync. You just push the button and say 102.1, and it dials right to 102.1. You don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel.
One less thing to worry about while you're driving. Gosh,
absolutely.
Yeah.
They're a great little car. This little guy here is a one owner.
One owner vehicle? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, one owner. Has a rear view camera in it. Seats are comfortable. Trunk is spacious. You know, I can't say enough about it. It's a great vehicle.
So good payment, good gas mileage, looks good. Did I cover it all?
Yeah, I think you got it all, sir. And where do we find this vehicle?
Well, you'll find it at bowlinggreenchevy.com or just come on over to Bowling Green Chevy off Highway 61 here in Bowling Green, Missouri.
That'll do it.
All right, see ya.